I have a question for the ACM man. I am in an undisclosed location, not in the Middle East. But anyhow, forget about that. The problem is we're up in a mountain, in a cave, and it is hard to get it's inaccessible. It's very inaccessible, hard to get things to. And we would like to know how I could get air conditioning here. It's very, very hot. I didn't like it. It's very, very hot. So if you could help me out with this question, I would much appreciate it.
Haven't I seen you somewhere?
No, that's not me. I'm sorry. No, you have the wrong person, okay? Thank you very much.
Well, since you've asked, the best way to get a large air conditioning system on top of a roof or a mountain or anywhere that is inaccessible is by using a helicopter. For example, the footage I'm going to show you now of a Sikorsky AirCrane setting in a couple of rooftop package units on top of a roof that would normally be inaccessible by crane. Roll them. Sometime this morning a helicopter is going to set a new air conditioning system on top of this building, right on top of that curb. Starting to smell like jet fuel around here.